Hello with the video today, and today we're going to be doing a pack opening in Madden Mobile. I got 31 packs, a bunch to do today. I got quite a few scrimmage, a bunch of pro packs, flashback, game changer, legacy, headliners, league, power-ups, and here we go. Let's start with the daily warm-up. Probably not going to be anything good, but here we go. Surprise. Hold on. These are just the actual things you get. I'm waiting for the thing they come with. Nope. I'm just gonna wait till we get to the pro pack, so that's what I'm gonna be looking at. One last one, and yep, didn't expect too much to be. Let's start with the pro packs, yeah. Okay, not very good. Good time. Oh, okay, 80 quarterback. Get my team. Ooh, a 79 punter and an 80 DP. That's pretty good right there. I've never pulled an elite out of a pro pack, so hopefully we can do one for the video. Come on, elite. Feel it. It's coming. It's coming soon. I feel it. Ah. Two more. Man, I really wanted to have an elite for the video. But, yeah, whatever. Okay. Now we got the flashback reward pack. I don't really know what's going to come out of this. I hope it's the Nick Foles, because I'm working on that set. Here we go. Ryan Claddy. That's okay. Game changer reward pack. Probably going to be just the whole thing. Yeah, it was. Legacy reward pack. Here we go. Come on, baby. 1,000 pixel. Okay. Headliners reward pack. That's just going to be one of those headliners coins. I mean, not coins, collectibles. League versus League reward pack. It's a loss, so we know it's going to be in there. Player up. I don't know what's in here. Oh, just the token. Okay. Pretty sure that's going to be what's in here. Yeah. Okay, the last pack, countdown pack. I didn't have any intention on saving this for last. It just so happened to be the last one. But here we go. And there's 250 quick go. Okay, that's pretty good. I mean, it was okay. I'll just put him in there, because I'll sell that punter for a good amount of money. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay, pretty good. Wow, 2 elites, 3. Oh, that's pretty good right there. I'll sell him. And then that's going to take a while. But let's just do this now. As well. 1 gold. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. If we can get 1 more gold, I can do a quick sell for you guys, maybe. Nope. Maybe we can get it right. Oh, no, not enough. Well, let's see. Probably gonna wait to get one of those guys, because they're really good. Let's do this. Oh, we do have enough. Okay, I can do this for you guys. Okay. Last I got a 5,000, so let's hope it's something good. I can't see it, but you guys can. Okay, that's okay. 17,000. That's okay. We'll just sell, put that in there. I'll add these to it as we're here. And I'm pretty sure that's all I can really do. Oh, bronze. We all know it's gonna be in there. Bronze trophies. One time I pulled 2 elites from this, like last year. It was awesome. Oh, yeah, let's go. That was pretty good. And then I'm gonna set off some other time. But for right now, I'm pretty sure that's the video. Actually, I can do this. I'll save it for another video. But that's all I got for you guys today, so thanks for watching.